Hopefully, this on behalf of band of Lily, I can share it with you guys. Anyway, it's a raw. Ma-deliver ko lang ng maayos, no? Huwag ako mapiyok, no? So, it's called Here Beside Me that would supposed to be assigned to Don Don. Kasi mas maganda yung octave niya eh. Kasi mataas talaga to. I would like to going into falsetto. Para hindi ako nakakahiya. So, here it goes. Be here with me tonight, keep you safe and warm, taking me